I've got tons of Christmas decor to share with you guys, so stick with me. Hey Crafty Dolls, welcome back and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new here, my name is Amber Michawn and I love all things high-end crafting on a budget. If you're not new, hey doll, hey! So I'm super excited. Like I said, I have tons of Christmas decor to share with you guys. This is all a Dollar Tree Plus haul, and I love everything that I got. Everything mostly is new to me this year, so I'm super excited because I'm finally starting my Christmas DIYs for you all, but I wanted to do a couple of hauls here and there or shop with me's. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you're new, love what you see, and love all things DIY decor on a budget and hauls, go ahead and hit that bell right next. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell so you're notified every time that I upload. All right, y'all, let's get into this. I'm super excited. So I bought a lot of trees. I'm going for traditional greens and reds this year, and yeah, maybe sprinkle in a little bit of silver or something, but greens and reds mostly. And I want my house filled with like trees everywhere, like real trees, fake trees, wood trees, stem trees, whatever, any kind of trees. I want them. And so I found these two. I thought these were so cute and they have a good size. So if I sit it on this table, you can see how high it is. I think it's so pretty. And these were only $3 in the Dollar Tree Plus section. Like, man, everything actually is from the Dollar Tree Plus section except for two things. But I thought these were really pretty, and I can get some height on a table or on the floor or something. But I probably will paint one, maybe spray paint it white. But if I decide to go back and get more, I can do whatever else I want with it. The next two trees I bought are these two. What kind of material is this? It's like plastic, but it's like hotter than plastic. It's like a flexible plastic. Anyways, these light up. They had several of these in several different styles, several different colors and styles, and these were each $5 each. I thought these were a little bit pricey. They could probably put it down to like $3, but I guess because it lights up, it costs more, but batteries are not included, so make sure you are aware of that. So I love those. And then my next set of trees, told y'all, trees, are these two. These are definitely new to me at Dollar Tree. This one and these ones, I think they had these last year. Anyways, look at how pretty these are. I absolutely love these, and I love the color. I wish they had a green one, but they didn't. And these were actually only $3. They're metal trees, and they're just so pretty as is. I mean, look at the detail. Can you see it? Maybe let me get the red one. But like, you see all of like the distressing that they do. I love these. These definitely a good farmhouse style like tree to have. And they have a lot of them, and they're only $3. So yeah, that. The next tree item I purchased is actually going to be this tiered tray. It was $5. I have seen tiered trays at the Dollar Tree in the plus section for a while, but I haven't picked up one. Of course, I've seen them at Walmart and everything, and they're all $5. You put it together yourself. So I'm actually really excited to see how this will go. I might keep it green, but I might paint it, spray paint it either white or red. But I don't know, I really like the green, but just fill it up with some good stuff in there. I thought that was really cute. That is it for my Christmas tree obsession. I felt like I got more, but I think because I went into Kirkland's and bought some stuff. That's for another video. But anyways, again, with the, like, in the tree, like, realm, I guess you would say, I did purchase this faux fir tree collar. It was only $5, so it wasn't pricey at all. It says it is 22 inches by 11, so it's the size of like one of those wreath forms at the Dollar Tree. And so I have a tree that goes in here. It's a smaller tree and it's white flocked, so I think that I'm gonna put this around it. And yeah. And then they also brought back these reindeer, these metal reindeer. They were only $5 each. I absolutely love these. So I got the one that's sitting and the one that's standing. They have a lot of styles and colors. I think there are 3 different colors. This white one, this silver one, and then a brown one. Last year they had these, but they were glitter all over it, which I didn't too much mind, but you know, I didn't paint those like I thought I would because I really liked them, but I thought these were really cute. So if you see these, try to grab them. They are good quality too. The weight on it is pretty nice. So I'm not mad about it at all. At all. Next, I found, now I know Dollar Tree always has these Nutcrackers, but I was actually able to find several of them. And there are 6 different styles. So I got all 6 of these Nutcracker. And I'm super excited to do these over. So these are going to be a DIY project. Just to do these over and give them more of a high-end look. I think that that would be really fun and really nice. I'm really obsessed with like Christmas trees and Nutcrackers. I went to go see the Nutcracker with my mom. She took me, I think, when I was like 8 years old, I think. And I literally remember everything about that mommy-daughter date. It was so much fun, and I've been obsessed with the Nutcracker ever since. So anytime there's a play of the Nutcracker, I go and see it. But, you know, and I woke up by myself. Nobody else was to come with me. But anyways, I'm going to make those over. Next, I found this holiday holiday garland. I can't talk today. It was only $3, and if you can see the image right here, this is what they are, how it's gonna hang. So it's got the Santa here and then the reindeer on the back. This is gonna be a fun DIY thing to remake. So I'm gonna use this as a DIY. I'm not going to have it as a garland here, but you will just have to stick around, come back, and see what DIY I do with this garland and this Nutcracker. So, yeah, I'm really excited about it. So we'll see how that goes. But I thought it was really cute. Hairspray on it if you want to hang it as is, so that way the glitter does not come off, and you should be good to go. Next couple things I bought are some signs because Dollar Tree, and specifically Dollar Tree Plus section, is coming out with some really nice signs and table decor. Clearly everything you've seen already with the trees is, you know, really nice. But these signs, this is good. I really like this. So there was 2 different versions of this. This one says, Santa, please stop here. I have been naughty or nice. You flip it around. I thought this was so cute, and I think you can put this, well, my idea is I'm going to put this next to a couple of advent calendars that we're going to get for our kids, and then ask them each day how they've been, if they've been naughty or nice at school or at home or during the activities, and then that will determine if they get that candy at the end of the day. But we'll see. I think it's a good incentive. And then I bought this advent calendar because I just wanted something a little bit easy for my boys. They do the ones where I put candy inside of like a sleigh, and then I'll probably go to like, I don't know, Aldi or something and get some more that they can, you know, get more treats with or, you know, interact with more. But I thought this one was really cute. It's giving me that farmhouse Christmas look to it, and I love that the little things on the inside just kind of slide right in there. I've seen advent calendars kind of like this, or they have like a magnet or something and it always falls off. So I thought this was a really good idea. And I mean, for $3 actually, this was only $3. I thought this was a really good deal. I believe they had this last year, but I'm not 100% sure. But this is actually, I mean, this is really, really nice for Dollar Tree. So really like that. I must not be shopping at Dollar Tree enough, because that's really nice, because I'm like, when did this start happening? They start having really nice stuff. Anyways, this one says Mary. This is a metal gold word. I really like this a lot. This was only $5 as well. It's got good weight. It's got good, it's good quality. So I really, really like this, and I thought this is just really pretty. So yeah, but if you don't know, or if you do, I'm getting a she shed, and I'm not going to stop talking about it until it's actually complete. And so Hopefully it's done before Christmas. I would love to put this in there because it's not really gonna match like my red and greens in the house. I'm going really traditional this year, but it might in some places. This room usually gets like the glam like Christmas look. So maybe, but I really like this, but it might still go on my she shed if I'm able to decorate for Christmas in there. And even if I have a week to decorate in my she shed, I'm going to decorate Christmas stuff. And then the last few things I got were some figurines. So the first thing is this Santa, and I thought he was really, really cute. I love these little presents that he has in his hand. And this is super reminiscent of like getting one from either Home Goods, Walmart, or even Hobby Lobby. For them to have it, and it was $5, I think is pretty impressive for Dollar Tree. Of course, the other ones are a little bit bigger because I have a few from At Home, and they're maybe just a third bigger. But I mean, that still costs $20. So this is a good deal. Nice decor. I love it. The next one I got is this shelf. It's called a shelf sitter, but it's an angel. You can see her wings in the back. It was $5. I got her because she matches a Mr. and Santa Claus and a Mrs. Claus that I have the same like attire and look to it. Basically, it's the same style. That's what I'm trying to say. So I got her just so she can sit with them wherever I decide to put them. But she's got a little halo up here. I thought it was so cute, and I love this color combo. It's so pretty, and it sits really good on a. See? Uh-oh. Don't make me a liar now. There you go, kicking your legs. Go on, girl, you got it. Yeah, you having a good day? No, let me stop. All right, the last thing I got was this elf. And look at how big he is. This was $5. It's a 24-inch standing character is what it's called, but obviously it's an elf. I did see a Santa Claus like this, but for some reason the Santa Claus arms like stayed like this, like he was forever trying to give somebody a hug. And I tried to put them down, but they just popped right back up. So I didn't get that one because I wasn't sure, you know, if it was a flaw. But anyways, one of the things that you have to worry about with these kind of characters and stuff from the Dollar Tree is you can see all of the hot glue like in between. And you just got to clean it up just a little bit because, I mean, it is coming from Dollar Tree. But, I mean, I thought this was pretty cool. And this is, you know, $5 is a good deal. But yeah, so he's so cute. And I love that the bells actually like make noise. But yeah, it's super cute. All right, dolls, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you saw some really awesome finds that maybe you can go to your local Dollar Trees and see, and maybe share what it is that you've been able to find or not, or you want to find. I'm really excited about going back to Dollar Tree, just specifically looking in their Dollar Tree Plus section and getting some items, because I know we tend to really want just to stick with like Dollar Tree and like their $1.25 stuff. Obviously, we all wish it was still $1, but branching out into their Plus section, for me at least, gave me a better appreciation for going to Dollar Tree, because I got a little bit tired of doing that for a while. Let me know in the comments down below what you have, what you wish to get, or what you are going to get. All right, dolls, be blessed, stay safe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.